Good morning, everyone. Mohammad Arshad from Decoding Data Science. Today, I'm going to talk about LinkedIn using the power of data to grow your profile. A quick introduction about why I'm saying this is, as you can see in my LinkedIn profile, I'm having approximately 35,000 followers, right? If I can just zoom in a little bit. And this is since 1.5 years where I was real serious about my mentorship, data science, help that I'm giving people, and people reaching out to me, and me making it like a small business. So LinkedIn was and is the major lead magnet for me. And whenever I show anyone my LinkedIn profile with 35,000 followers, right, more than 16 million post impressions that are there, right, and this has been one of my main strengths that I have devoted on LinkedIn to show people what I have been doing, how I am learning, how I am helping people, how I am empowering people and businesses to use the power of data. And there are a lot of work that has gone behind this. I have taken a lot of LinkedIn courses, lot of mentorship sessions from the leaders who are the top content creators, and try to build something of my own strategy, right. And I'm going to share a small snippet uh, about how I'm going to do this in my capsuled form course that will be launching very soon, subsequent chapters that you will be seeing. But this is an overview of what is the power of LinkedIn, and you all know that LinkedIn is a personal brand. You can see some of my impressions are around 430K, and one of my best performing posts till in the last year was this meme that has jargoned around 2500 likes and 304 impressions. So how I will give my personal detailed strategy, content creators like myself, who wants to also have a personal brand, and not only just promoting businesses but to promote themselves, right. And what are the main key steps? So today I'm just going to show a quick view. So this is the things that are there, strategies and everything people will talk about, but I'm telling you the how I used the power of data, right. So there are Python code that I have written, okay, connecting the LinkedIn API and getting the post level data. So this is the way the data is getting generated, which I will just have you a quick clue of how I analyze and how do I do postings, right. So this is the data. It is approximately 32 columns, right. Most of these things are not of any value, but we will see uh, how I analyze the data quickly. So the first thing is the type of content that is doing well. So this is around, you can see the number of posts that are there is approximately 114. So I have the data of last 114, which I want to just analyze quickly here. Okay, we can get, this is the latest 114 posts. That is, I think, enough for us to do a quick analysis of what are the things that are working and what are not working. So the first thing is, this is the data. What I see is the type of key matrices that are there is, first of all, is this a time, right. So the time, what it is doing is, you can see here, this is the time that I have posted. I generally post at this time around 2, between 2 and 3. So this is the time. So suppose now I just want to create a time column, and I'm going to create a formula that, not a formula, I'm going to do autofill. So all these cases are discussed in my course. But yeah, now I have done this. No, this is not going to work as such. I will just copy this exactly the same. I will do it for two. So this is what I'm doing is autofill. I'm directly trying to extract the time out of this. So I'm doing this live in front of you to show. So let me just do Control Z. I'm going to go down. There is fill. Let me just 1 second. Let me just go a little bit down, little bit down. Okay, this is there. Flash fill. So okay, now what I will do is I will just do 11:30. See, can you see? 11:37 is here. Now I'm going to just put it down. Flash fill. See, now this time is coming. So now to get the formatting properly, what I'll do, I'll make the row height as 15 so that I can see everything. So now we have the time using flash fill. So to more details about how we are doing all this, you can visit my Excel course as well that I have done. So you can see you don't need to do it manually. So I'm going here and I'm using flash fill. Don't do series will not work. We want to know the exact time, so you can do two things here. Okay, now we have the time. Mostly for me, I have mainly one in the morning that I do sometimes, and one in the night. And you can basically what you can do is you can create one more column for the time group. So this is basically now I'm using an I am using as formula uh, to group it. So you can do it. You can do other buckets, but for me it specific to the business case, right? For me it is but the problem we need to do some other thing. We need to do some logic of wait. First what I will do, see, we want to do this is actually not a this is this particular thing. You can do two things, right? I will give you the quicker option. Quicker option is text to column. So what I will do is I'll go to insert, then I will do go to data, go to text to column, delimited by other, and then destination I'm going to put next to it because I need a finish. Okay, let me make this number this day. Okay, or let me do just one more thing I can do. This is one way to do it. The second way to do it is insert. I'll put an let me just see whether our works. Yeah, it is working. So this is the hour. So you see, you need to keep trying what is how you can do it faster. So you can do many other ways in Python. It is very much simpler, but for here I am showing it in Excel. Uh, I'm making it 12, then I'll make it morning, afternoon. So simple. I don't want to complicate things for now. So this is this I need to just change the this thing now. If it is equal, I'll put anything equal to or this thing as 12 as. Okay, cool. So we have the group here. Cool. This is morning. This is 12:50. 12:50. I'm going to take it as afternoon, to be honest. So for that, what I need to do is I need to use this. If I use this less than 12, but here problem is this is also going to categorize as afternoon because 12 is not getting into the picture. So you have to see all those things, right? So I have to do less than equal to, and I have to change the sequence here because I want 12:50 to be considered as afternoon. It is not a morning, right? So this is correct. Correct. So this is how I do. So this is my grouping. So morning group, morning. Just so after doing this, quick two quick things I will just show you. Uh, we can do a lot of more things, but I wanted to show you one variable transformation I do quickly to see morning group. Morning group. Okay. And these are the things I can see. I can do analysis which morning group is doing well, but here now I want to show you which type of content is doing well. If I want to take a general, like I will take this U, and the main thing is views and likes. Views, comments, likes. Right? I want to do these three things I want to play around with. So first, I will take about the content type that is there. Okay, and I will also add the group because that I created just in front of you to use that as well. So inside content, morning group, this thing. Video native is basically the video that you're uploading in the platform that is there, right? And then I want to see three things. I want to see comments, I want to see the sum of comments, the sum of likes, and the sum of share is not proper representation right now. Views is a proper representation. So you can see for me documents in the afternoon are doing very much. And suppose I want to know the count of activity IDs for 100 rows, how much I have been doing. So I will just do value for, and I will do a count. This is for the last 114. Mostly I have done. Okay, you can see documents, and it has been doing well. The average is well. So the number representation, this is the way. Poll I have only done once. Text, as you see, it is not doing well. So this is, I have from this analysis of the historical data, I have come to know, and I feel that in afternoon the posts are doing well, but some of the posts that I am doing is that you can see that are coming in morning, right? Just for one example, I will just take like this morning. This is a very unusual time for me to post, but the real reason is, let me just see the details of the URL. Why? I think just wanted to confirm if I can just. Yeah, post URL is here, right? The URL is also here, as you can go and see. Yeah. So this was because of my webinar that I had to do. That's why I had put it in such a time, and which was recorded in my as such. Just because this is very subjective, but generally I have been posting in the afternoons, and I add a document image, and you can see that that has been one of the reasons for me to post in the afternoon and add document, because that is what I my specialization is as a data science practitioner and a content creator, where I am also doing an academy and giving value to people. So for me, documents are one of the most important things. You can see the number of views as well are very good, right? And that is why I stick to that. And this is one of the analysis that I do with this data. And also there are other things as well, right? So now this is a bigger view of the data that I do. There are a lot of other things, but one more thing that I really focus on to do the type of posts. As you can see, for me, the likes is also one of the important things other than views. What people are liking, right? So you can see images. People like more of images, right? If I have to now drill down inside the content and do some analysis, like this image, this is one post that really went viral with lot of likes, and uh, the tags that are actually really working. So for tags to actually to check the tags that are working, you can do a separate analysis, and the thing is we have to see, for some people, like may not be the main thing. It may be the views, okay, but for me, I want to it is very tough to get, you can say, counter these two matrices. Company some people, they view the file, they save it, but they don't like it because of they don't want their company, or they don't want people to know that they are consuming LinkedIn. So I sometimes take views mostly nowadays, because likes were not giving me a accurate answer. But it really depends, but mostly right now I am focusing on likes. So now I can see these are the top posts that have been doing for me, top 10 posts. So mainly I will try to focus on these top 20 type of posts. What are they doing, and what is the thing that people are really liking it. So I will see from the title. So as you can see from the title, these are the top tags. Characters are also one of the things we do analysis on, whether a big post is doing well or not. Tags consistently I keep it around 7 7 8, but that is also a different analysis that we can do. But for now, I just want to show you the basic things that I quickly look on before I do any analysis of post. So you can see this data sharing, about other things that are there. I talk a lot. Ebooks that are there that are really important, like logistic regression, ebooks, some of the topics that are there. These things get lot of. So I will try to analyze this. See, these things are there right now. One thing is things that are not doing good, but things that are not doing good also we have to see. This data is just updated, but some of these right, but this is not actually uh, these are not none so well. So the views are not updated, so there is some data while connecting the API there is some issue, but there is likes. But this is the main thing that we have to see, we have to analyze, and we have to come up with a quick dashboard. So in this case, I just extracted it some time back. The complete extraction has to be again redone because some of the things are missing, but this is the way we have to go ahead for it. Comments also, mainly 91 comments for this particular posts about boot camp. This one of my good posts that had happened, and very useful. And we can what we can do after analyzing what are the key KPIs. I use it regularly to do my posting, but for you can make even a quick dashboard like this, talking about monthly, about people that are following you, and more details that are there as well. So this is how I am go using data for LinkedIn. And in the subsequent chapters we will discuss about what are the strategies that you have to take in place for LinkedIn specifically, as it is an online brand. What are the steps? And I have grown from 1,000 followers to 35,000 followers in a matter of 1.5 years. So I'm going to share my real time experience, and it is very important for everyone to also uh, do this. And even for data people, because you are using the power of data, learning Excel, Power BI, using it in the real time case to benefit, and that benefit will be seen immediately as your profile grows. So thank you for watching. Looking forward to talk to you in the next video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.